Hey guys, before the video starts, I just want to give a quick shout out to Dory for suggesting this video, because they said, can you make it where you click a part and get more max health? So yeah, thank you very much for suggesting this video, and yeah, let's get straight into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Chicken Game here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a button which you can click and it will give you extra max health, so you have more health than the rest of the players in your game. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is build your button. So mine's just going to be a simple part, that's green. It doesn't matter, you can just change the properties to whatever you like. But make sure it's anchored so it stays still and it doesn't fling across your map. Just customize it however you like in the properties section. So once you've customized that, click the plus and then add in a clip detector. And then just change the max activation distance to how far away you want your characters to be, how far away your characters have to be to click the button. So if my character is 32 studs away, then my character should be able to click the button, but if my character is 33 away, then they won't be able to anymore. So they've got to be within this 32 studs. So you can just change this, so if you want to be 16, you'll have to be within 16 studs of the part. But I'll just leave mine. Just customize it to whatever you like. So after that, you just need to insert a script, and then just type in everything make sure you get all the capitalization correct as well. It's very, very important because it's case sensitive, and it'll probably not work if you type it wrong. So yeah, let's get straight into the scripting. Okay, so the script is done now. So here where it says 20, you can just change the amount of extra health you want to give. So every time you click on the button, you're going to get an extra 20 max health. It doesn't actually give you more health, it gives you more max health, so your health will regenerate over time. But if you want it to give you more health, then just say just copy this line and then change max health to just health, like that. So if you want to add health and max health, you can just do that. But if you don't want to give them extra health, you just want to give them more max health so that can regenerate over time, just get rid of this line. Also 5 seconds here, you can just change this to the amount of time you want your players to wait before they can click the button again. So this is just a debunk so people can't keep on spamming the button, getting more health. So they have to wait 5 seconds. So if you want them to wait like 10 seconds, put 10 in the brackets. These are just the amount of seconds you want your players to wait before they can click the button again. So let's jump into the game and test it out. Alright, you just loaded the game, and if I click on the button, it's going to give me extra health. So if I go into the humanoid section, as you can see, my health is 120 and the max health is also 120. Like that. So once this turns back to green, I should be able to click it again. Like that, and it's changed to 140. So it's adding 20 each time. So if this video helped and you want to see more, then make sure you like, subscribe, and turn the bell to be notified when a video comes out. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.